All right, guys. So I'm at Southern Illinois University. I have convinced them that I am really good and fast on my feet because I caught gazelle with my hands back in Africa. So they've let me be on the football team. But before I go play for them right now, I gotta go touch the pyramid because apparently this is how you do it. All right, guys, I gotta go and touch this. Right, touch that. All right, let's go. Do this.
Yeah, do you work here? I do. I'm the facilities guy.
Oh, okay.
You think that sign's crooked?
I don't know, but hey, I want to try it for the team. And do you think I have a shot?
Oh yeah, you were that guy running earlier.
Yeah, I was running to try to be with the team. Do you think I have a shot?
Yeah, you want to try out right now?
Really?
Yeah.
All right, here you go. All right, what do you want me to do?
Come on.
Okay, ready?
Ready, go.